There are a couple of reasons why you should consider adding a naturopathic doctor to your healthcare team. My name is Dr. Amy Craker. I'm a licensed naturopathic doctor here in Winnipeg, Manitoba and in Selkirk, Manitoba. And I wanted to talk today about why it's important to have a naturopathic doctor as part of your healthcare team. I always recommend that my patients have both a medical doctor and a naturopathic doctor, and as well as whatever specialists or other practitioners they may be working with. And the reason I recommend that we have a whole team approach in your healthcare is, one, because your medical doctor, it will be there for you if you get sick. You need to have your medical doctor if you need blood tests or referrals to other practitioners within the healthcare system. But the reason that you want your naturopathic doctor there is to help to prevent some of the things that you might be trying to avoid in terms of family history. Let's say you have a family history of heart attack or stroke or diabetes. Your naturopathic doctor can give you specific recommendations or do specific types of testing to figure out how to best prevent those conditions from developing so that you never run into problems with them in the first place. So that's one reason why you want to work with a naturopathic doctor. Another reason why you want to work with a naturopathic doctor, if let's say you already have a condition such as diabetes or heart disease or thyroid condition or digestive, IBS, Crohn's, colitis, depression, anxiety, the list goes on. But the reason why you would include a naturopathic doctor in these scenarios is so that you can get a comprehensive whole body approach to your treatment. The medications are designed to do one specific thing in the body, and that might be key to your treatment. However, a naturopathic doctor is going to look at how all your symptoms combine. So if you have different conditions at once, if you have migraine headaches, but you also have irritable bowel syndrome, then your naturopathic doctor can use therapies that are going to help to treat both at the same time and look at the whole body as one system. And that can really help to reduce the quantity of medications that you may need. And that's a really important thing because we don't want to use medications unless we absolutely have to. They're necessary at a point, but if you can reduce them, that's usually a very good thing. So a naturopathic doctor will be able to assess what types of medications you're on, what types of conditions you're experiencing, and look at what got you there in the first place. So how come you developed those conditions in the first place, and how to get you back as far away from those conditions as possible, and at the very least, trying to minimize the side effects of medications and or minimize the amounts of medications that you actually need to treat those conditions. So that is why I always recommend having a team approach. A naturopathic doctor can look at your lab work that your medical doctor has run. They can interpret the lab results, and I always requisition any lab work that has been done so that we're not duplicating tests that we need to do, and we may as well share the results that have been done. So I always ask for a release of records from your medical doctor if you've done testing through them, so that I can get an accurate picture of what we're dealing with and when to refer you back to your medical doctor, because there are certain situations where I'll take a look at the numbers and I'll say, you know what, this is the point at which we need to look at the medications being adjusted, but I can't do that. So let's go and speak again with your medical doctor. So the combined approach is really a very effective approach because it will combine diet, it will combine lifestyle, and it will combine your medical doctor's approaches as well to give you the very best outcome and help you feel as good as possible. I hope that helped to explain why a team approach is better. And like I said, I'm Dr. Amy Craker. I'm a licensed naturopathic doctor here at Centre for Natural Medicine in Winnipeg and at Tier 1 Health in Selkirk, Manitoba.